Hi, assalamualaikum dear friends. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. You will be good. Okay. Now, today my lecture is about Bernoulli equation. Bernoulli equation. Uh, you know that you know something about Bernoulli equation. It is some kind of linear differential equation. Let us see. Bernoulli equation is of the following form: dy by dx plus function of x y equals q of x y raised to power n, for n is the integer. If n is 0, this Bernoulli equation is linear differential equation. If n equals 1, this Bernoulli equation is again linear differential equation. If n is not equal to 0 or 1, n is neither 0 nor 1, then we will divide y raised to power n to the both equation, on both side of the equation. You will get y raised to power minus n. Y over y power n means y raised to power 1 minus n, and this will be 1, and this is function of x. You will put this function will be equal to v to make this linear. We will process to make this equation in the linear differential equation form. For this you will put this expression, this term will be y will be substituted in the form of v. Let v equals inserting v is equal to y raised to power 1 minus n. Then we will differentiate this with respect to x, dv over dx, and the derivative of this will be equal to 1 minus n y raised to power minus n dv over dx. Okay, you will get 1 minus n is shifted on the left hand side, divided. Okay, this becomes right hand side, we get y per minus n divided by dx, and this dy by dx term is the left hand side of the equation of 1. This will be equal to 1 over 1 minus n dv over dx. Okay, plus p of x, this becomes v, this is as it is q of x. Now in this expression I am discussing only general case about linear differential equation, about the Bernoulli equation, how you will solve the Bernoulli equation. This is the general methodology for the Bernoulli's equation. Okay, dv dx, this is the linear differential equation in the variable v. V is depending on x. In the dependent variable v, this integrative factor will be equal to p of x, derivative integral of px exponential as in the case in the linear differential equation, which is described in the description. You can see my the previous lecture about the linear differential equation. Okay, let's see its example. Solve dy by dx plus y equals xy cube. This is the Bernoulli equation. This is Bernoulli's equation. This is Bernoulli differential equation. Dividing by y cube on both sides, you will get this. After simplification, you will get this, and this will be substituted into v. In the form of v, this will be replaced by v. After differentiating with respect to x, you will get dv over dx equals this, minus 2v minus 2y raised to power minus 3 dy. Sorry, this is y, dy by dx. Okay, now this term will be equal to minus 1 by 2 this, and this term will be equal to minus 1 by 2 dv over dx replaced in the in this equation of this one. Substituting this value dv over dx into equation number 1 becomes this, minus 1 by 2 dv over dx. This is v, this is x as it is. Now this is the linear differential equation. This is your linear differential equation in the dependent variable v. Is the linear differential equation in the variable v. Okay, now its exponent, its integrating factor will be equal to exponential integral minus 2 dx with respect to x. Okay, e power minus 2x. Multiplying the given equation 1 by the integrating factor, you will get this. After multiplying dx on both sides, you will get dv minus 2 dv dx or dx. After simplification, after combining the value terms including dx, you will combine the terms including dx. ठीक है, Okay, next see, after combining the terms including dx on the left hand side, you will get this dx and dv equals 0, which is an exact equation, by we will solve this exact equation by using the this formula, by using this technique mdx. The variable was y, here this variable, here is the variable is v equals c constant. Okay, this is after integrating with respect to others in this and this. After integrating and simplification, you will get the answer in the form of v and x. The v is back substituted equals y raised to power minus 2. This was v. So this is your required answer. Maybe there may be some error of the about constant, but you may correct this option. Okay, your method is here in the form of in the example. Okay, thank you for watching. You can comment, you can ask any question through mail, through comment, through any way. Okay, you will be welcome if you ask any question. Okay, if you understand my lecture, please give a one like to this video and subscribe my vertical TV channel. Okay, I will thank you for you. Take care, Allah Hafiz.